Project in the shop tonight is a 2008 Toyota Rav4. We're going to be replacing this driver's side headlight. You can see how bad clouded up and cracked this is. Got a lot of water on the inside of it. This thing's been kind of bad for a while now. This car belongs to a family member, and she hit a deer a few years ago with this side of the car, and the body shop replaced just that one headlight lens. So now we're going to be doing that one. So I picked up a replacement on eBay. Was the best deal that I could find. It looks really similar to the one on the passenger side, so I think we got a pretty good match. I think it was about 70 bucks, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get the hood popped, start taking stuff off. I'm going to get you guys set up on the tripod, probably do a time lapse here. Well, I sure hope you guys could see what was going on. I realized that I was probably standing in your way a good bit of the time, but kind of in a time crunch to get this done. So it went actually a whole lot simpler than I was expecting. The other videos that I saw online, they removed the whole bumper cover. They also removed this whole cross brace here, and I don't know if you could tell or not, but I mean, all I had to do was this clip here sort of broken anyhow, and then the inner fender's kind of cracked right here to get to that sheet metal screw, or it's a plastic screw. So just that was sort of already broken. Pop that plastic or that wood screw looking thing out, and then just give a little tug right here, and that gave me access to that one bolt that was holding it in here. And then the front of the headlight, the housing actually sat kind of behind this metal cross brace here, so I did have to pop the one bolt out of it, but that gave me enough room to get the headlight housing out and the new one back in. So I guess if you're going to do both of them, it might be just as easy to pop the whole bumper cover off. Then again, it might be just as easy to attack that one from that one side. I don't know. It went a whole lot simpler than I thought it would. So just this one cross brace bolt here, and that's it. I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to back this thing out. It's dark, so I'm going to back it out, drop the garage door down, pull right up to the garage door, see how those headlights look, see if they need a little bit of adjustment. I did notice that looks like it's got adjusters on here, so I should be able to get the headlights adjusted if I need to. And that's going to wrap this one up. So I hope I helped you with this one, guys. If you're looking to replace the headlight on a Toyota Rav4, it was not as bad as some of the other videos might have you believe. So this is the first time I've ever done this, and it's 8:54 right now. I think I started this project at like 6 minutes after 8. So that'll give you an idea that, just about anybody could probably do this one. I hope I helped you. If I did, click that thumbs up button. You want to see more videos like this out in the garage. I'm working on a 68 C10. There's the wide whites and the rims. We're working on brake system next on that. Click the subscribe button. Get to see all them videos. Till the next time, keep on tinkering.